Promethean Whiteboard offers many ways to utilize and customize your annotation tools. Access Annotation Tools by selecting the Pen button or Highlighter button from your toolbar. Simply tap any of the 5 default pen or highlighter colors to change the ink color. Tap the Pen or Highlighter button once more to change the tool's width. Tap the Color palette on the toolbar to access additional ink colors. When selecting the eraser, you may also change its width, or simply use Palm Erase. Finally, there's a Clear All Annotations button on your toolbar, located below the eraser. Annotation tools are perfect for inviting students up to the panel, whether using Promethean Whiteboard's multi-user mode or for maximizing your panel's 10 points of touch.